Hello everybody, I'm back with another resin painting, but first of all I want to thank all the people that subscribe to my channel. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that, so thanks a lot for that. And also the people that watch my videos but don't subscribe, also thank you for that. So back to the video. I have a canvas this time. Someone commented if I could make a painting that has a square or a rectangle. So this time a square. I primed it with 2 layers of gesso, what I always do, and 2 layers of acrylic paint, the color turquoise blue. So a clear coat on my canvas. And the colors I'm using are listed in this video. They are white, blue, green, violet and fuchsia. And I picked different kinds of pigments. I picked inks and pastes and um, primary elements that are pigments, so that you have different kinds of densities, and one is heavier than the other. So I'm hoping that I can create different layers with that, so that I get the 3D effect. And the background is turquoise blue. That's also for a reason, because I want to create cells, and I want in the middle of the cells the background color, if I can do that. So I don't know, but that's what I'm hoping. So the first colors are on the canvas. And that's the green one of primary elements. That's a powder. So heating it up a little bit. And normally the heavier the color is, it will sink to the bottom. So yeah, the metallics will sink, I hope. And the inks will stay on top, so that I can create the cells and the different layers. That's the maroon copper. Again some heat, because I need to fill up the canvas. And in my previous paintings I also wanted the background color to play a part in the painting, but I feel that I didn't achieve that goal that much, so this time I will try it again. I have a little bit of cells in the right corner. And now I'm adding the colors where what I think is nice and look good together. So again some heat. Tilting the canvas. But make sure that I keep the cells on the right side. And now I'm looking at the composition, because you can't see what I do now, but I'm looking at the composition and what I like. That way I tilt the canvas. So a little bit more tilting. Now I'm looking at the painting and I'm gonna decide where I put the details to get some contrast. And also forming some cells on the left side. Adding some green and fixing up the corners. That's a metallic color. Blending the green in. And in some places you can see the background color, that's good. Little bit of tilting. More cells have developed. Now I'm adding some white. And blending it in with some heat. Looking at it where it needs more color. A little bit of copper. To outline the white. Yeah, I saw a dent there, so I filled it up with a little bit of blue, metallic, and a little bit of copper. And the cells are getting bigger and bigger on the left side. I like it. So a little bit of blue now to make the contrast with the white. I'm almost at the end of this video. It's almost the end result. What I do know is that it needs a second coat because I have a little bit of dents, but that doesn't matter. I want to thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.